Alright, first time flying this bird at LFE. I put it on the NX10 and changed the receiver to the new AR637T. So let's fly it here. I flew it at Tomcats. Let's fly it here. See how it goes. A little bit of right, a little bit of left rudder because it's not centered. So let's go. We've got weights on the knob here. I mean the gyro gain on the knob. Thanks to Nate for helping me set that up. Let's see how it works. Looking pretty good. Looks really good. Still got some tail jiggle. But for the most part it's gone. See what the tail was. Turn everything all the way up. Let's see what happens now. I think it's going to be a little too much. Let's turn it back down. It's got a little wiggle to it, but for the most part it's gone. So I think it's just... Still got the wiggle, but it flies. Alright, come back. Take a gear pass. Now we will land. Always wants to turn the right gear down, so it actually helps with the approach. bad. I think the gyro worked a lot better. This gyro works better. I got the Lemon RX before. The Lemon RX in the past was really good. The new batch sucked. So this is significantly better than that new Lemon. So much improved. I got 2 more packs I'm going to run through this baby. And that felt good. So that's it. Good stuff. And again, saw how well I did with steering. You know why? Because look at that, 50% rate on ailerons with the mix for the rudder, and then elevator 77% up, 61% down because I stopped it from binding. 44% expo. Rudder 100% expo, and 100% rate, 90% expo. Yes, 90% expo does work well. Don't believe the hype. Expo works.